Do you want to have an access to any emotion at any given moment of time? Do you want to replace your anxiety with confidence before your performance? Do you want to replace your frustration with calm and joy? Then watch this video till the end because I will teach you how to exactly do that in just 5 steps. So it's a 5-step process which you can do right now while I explain it to you. Step 1. Pick your emotional state. So choose something you would like to access on demand like confidence, calm, self-love or motivation. Let's go with confidence right now. Step 2. Recall the time when you felt this emotion fully. Close your eyes for a minute and think of that moment where you felt extremely confident. What were you doing? What did your body feel like? What were you saying to yourself? At what energy filled your chest? Make it vivid. Feel it fully. And imagine stepping back into that moment. Step 3 is to choose your anchor. So choose a gesture that you do not use on daily basis. For example, tap 2 fingers together or snap your fingers or say a special word, for example, let's go in your mind. So the important thing is to choose a gesture that is unique and consistent. Step 4. Fire the anchor at emotional peak. So when you're fully feeling confident, like in step 2, do this anchor gesture 3 to 5 times. This downloads the emotion into the anchor. So for example, while you're feeling on the top of the world, you can snap your fingers and say let's go mentally or aloud. Step 5. Test it. Take a break, distract yourself and then do this anchor gesture again. Did the confidence feeling return? Even if slightly, then congrats, you've installed your first NLP anchor. And if not, repeat the 2 to 4 steps again, but this time intensify the emotion and do the gesture exactly at the peak. So here's your daily practice game. Tonight before bed, choose an emotion that you want more of. Make an anchor for it using the steps we discussed before and then write it on a sticky note. For example, snap fingers is equals to confidence anchor. And the next day, use this before a challenge. It could be a meeting, studying, or a social thing. You can also drop your anchor gesture plus emotion and I'll help you with personalized ways to supercharge it. Stay tuned if you want to break any unwanted habit or thought pattern like procrastination, overthinking, and self-doubt and replace it with a powerful new one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.